everyone. So today I'm going to discuss a numerical application based on numerical on Simpson's one-third rule. So this is the problem, or this is the numerical, which is application based. The velocity of a car running on a straight road at interval of 2 minutes are given below. So this is the table you can see here. In this table they have given timer and velocity. So time is a minute and velocity is kilometer per hour. So you can see here for the 0 minute velocity is 0. After 2 minutes it becomes 22 kilometer per hour. For 4 minutes 30 kilometer per hour. 8 minutes 18 kilometer per hour. 10 minutes 7 kilometer per hour, and after 12 minutes it becomes again 0. So this is the data given. Finally, find the distance covered by the car using Simpson's one-third rule. So here we want to find out the distance covered by the car. So before going to solve the problem, here first we need to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per minute, because time is given in minute. So first we need to convert unit of velocity from kilometer per hour to meter per minute. So obviously 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1000 meter per 60 minutes. So that becomes, if we calculate this one, 16.67 meter per minute. So 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 16.67 meter per minute. So when we multiply this kilometer per hour, that is 22, 30, 27 with 16.67, we will get the velocity in meter per hour. So directly I will give you the table by converting that kilometer per hour into meter per minute. So this is the conversion, or this is the table after conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per minute. When we observe this one, so in this problem you will find, yes, so this time is as x and velocity we will take it as what, y. So this one now is x0, just a minute, this one is x0, this one is x1, this one is x2, this one is x3, x4, this is x5, and this is x6. Similarly, the velocity is on the y-axis, suppose. So obviously it becomes what? y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, and y6. So here y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, 6, y6 are given directly. So now we have to use what? The Simpson's one-third rule to find out the distance covered by the car. Yes. So now if the body traveled, if the body travel distance yes, with velocity v, with velocity v over a time t, then the total distance then total distance covered, yes, is, so obviously we know the equation, that is yes equals to, that is the distance covered, and that is equals to, that is velocity into time for the time period, that is what, 0 to t into dt. So it is given by the integration. So this is the distance covered by the car with velocity v and time t. So now we have to apply the Simpson's one-third rule. So using Simpson's one-third rule, so S equals to h by 3, this is the formula, y0 plus y6 plus 4 y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into y2 plus y4. So yes, so this is what S equals to h by 3. This is Simpson's one-third rule. First we need to take y0 and y6, that is first and the last term, y0 plus y6 plus 4 into, we need to take what, the odd numbers y1, y3 and y5. You can see here y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus 2 into even numbers. So y2 and y4. Don't take y6 because already we have taken y6 in the first one, that is y0 plus y6. That is the simple Simpson's one-third rule. So here directly they have given us all the values. One more thing is what? Here you will find the time 0 to 4. So that means what? The time interval is 2 minutes. You will find the difference 2 minutes. So that means what? H equals to 2. Sorry, this is 2. So here y0 is given, y6 is given, y1, y3, y5, y2, y4 and h is also given. So now just we have to solve the problem. So s equals to 2 by 3 and here y0 plus y6. So y0 and y6 are 0 plus 0 plus 4 into y1. So that is what y1 is how much? You will find here 366.67, 366.67 plus y3. So here y3 is 450.1 plus y5. Y5 is 116.67, 116.67 plus 2 into y2 plus y4. So you will find here y2 is 500 plus 1.1 plus y4 is 300. So when we solve this equation, we will find S equals to 3555 meter. So distance covered by the car is 3555 meter. And if we convert this meter into kilometer, finally we will get answer 3.555 kilometer is the distance covered by the car. So this is the final answer. So thank you.